nail friends, it's Sarah here, and today I'm going to be doing a haul video. So it's been a while since I was on camera, so I thought I would just come and say hi guys. Hope you had a good new year. What did you guys get up to? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sarah and I've been doing nails professionally for 10 years. I also run a YouTube channel and I like to post tutorials and hauls and all the new stuff I get in, and I just find it super fun. So if you want to subscribe, please make sure to click the bell next to it and you'll never miss a video. So let's get started with this haul. I have in 4 different brands of stuff that I recently got in. I'm not going to go into too much depth about them because then this video would be way too long. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got in, and if there's anything you want to see a direct video on or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I wanted to start off with was the Feeny Beauty box Reborn collection. So if you guys follow my Facebook page, I did do a little comparison video that I did post on there, and I showed the Reborn collection versus the original of these colors. So they have a black 2.0 and it is super pretty. It's like this really shimmery black. So it's basically the same as the other black. I'll link the other video down below. You'll see there's a couple differences in the colors, like the evergreen. The one in the Reborn collection is a little bit more of an olive tone, and the original one has more of an emerald finish. Same with the cranberry. It's a little bit different versus the Reborn, but again, you have to watch that whole video to see it. That video is only 5 minutes long, so it's not too long for you guys. So, and then there is also this one called Midnight 2.0, and it's a dark blue. So I love the Feeny Beauty box colors because they go on in one coat coverage, which is perfect for if you're stuck for time, and they're super beautiful, so can't go wrong with those. Okay, the next thing I have are a bunch of stuff from Elegance. So I have been doing gel on my channel a lot more, so I thought I would order in some more colors of gel in order to have more variety and choices. So I got in, there's actually a bunch here, so I don't really know. This one's called May I Have This Dance, and we have Pop, Lock and Drop, Jump Up and Jade, Hold Me Closer, Pump Up the Jam, Do the Watushi, and Get Your Freak On. So that's the one. If you guys want to see me do an actual swatch video of all of these together, let me know and I will do that. So that's the one collection I have here. I guess I have the whole surf collection. So I have the glitters and the solids. So I think this might have been this year's summer collection. So I have both of them. So let's just go through these pretty quickly. This is the glitter one. So I got Woody, Wipeout, Jetty Betty, Malibu, Hot Dogger, and Locals Only. So that's for the glitters. And then for the colored gels, we have more like solid medium toned colors. So Surfed Up, Longboard, Sunbum, She's a Copper Catch, Hunks in Trunks, and French Bikini. So that's what we have for that. And then I also picked up a really teeny tiny version of the fall collection. So I don't really need these huge containers since I don't do gel nails at all. I just have one model. I basically only need the teeny tiny one. So I did get just the small one for the fall collection, and we have here Main Attraction, Ringmaster, Jester, Bearded Ladies, Come One, Come All, and It's Showtime, which unfortunately I accidentally have a duplicate of. So now I have 2 It's Showtime. So I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of one of them or just keep them, or I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but now I've got extras. Okay, the next thing I've got in, I got these glitters from the nail team. So these are from their new the Elite collection. So all of these are basically sugar, but they're really pretty. They kind of all have kind of like a silver tint to them. So you guys may have seen me using this one called Eve in a tutorial recently, which I will link. But basically you just take the glitters, you put a top coat on, and then you sprinkle the glitter into the top coat or into hard gel. And yeah, your glitter will just be on top, and it doesn't need a top coat or anything like that. It's just on its own. So it's really pretty sweet. The colors we have here from the Elite collection are Misty, Tasha, Ava, Amy, Hope, Angel, Belle, this one's really nice, Erin, there is one called Harper, Faith, just a silver, Eve, which is what I showed you, and Holly. So these are just really nice sugars, just good quality sugars. I really like all the glitters I have already from the nail team, which is a lot. I'll show you guys. Sorry, I've got a giant drawer here full of stuff. There we go. So this is my, mostly the nail team glitters. I have a couple random stuff in this, but it's mostly the nail team. I really like their glitters, so that's that. Okay, and then the next thing I got in recently is from Clear Jelly Stamper. So Talia from Talia's Nail Tales and I are gonna be doing a small Valentine's Day series. So I got in some Valentine's Day related plates. So we got this one here. This one is so cute. It's like Romeo and Juliet themed. And I love how they incorporated these on the back now so that you can actually see how the colors are supposed to go and stuff. So we got the Romeo and Juliet plate. That one's really fun. I got this one, it's just hearts, like fun, cute little hearts. It's got some kisses, X's and O's, XOX, stuff like that. Super cute. And then I got this one, which I was really excited about because of these at the top. They are, oh my God, my clients love stuff like this. So I really can't wait to try this plate out and give it a good try. I really like this little umbrella too. This one's like a lacy kind of pattern plate, super pretty. And then I also got two of these in. So I have one I'm currently using, which is the silver one, and then there is a gold one as well. I got these from Clear Jelly Stamper. So they just put your brush on it. Talia actually posted these in on her page a few times. I've always wanted one. They actually work really well to keep any mess off your desk. So I really like it for that. And then I also got in these 3 polishes. Oh, I'm so excited about these. So Clear Jelly Stamper is come out with holographic stamping polishes, which is really cool. I remember one time I was like, ooh, holo polishes would be cool. So I messaged Debbie and I was like, have you ever thought of holographic polishes? And she was like, we're actually working on that right now. And I was like, awesome. So these are what the holo polishes look like. So I have number 1, number 3, and number 6. So I've got like a gray, a black, and a dark green, which I love green, so of course I had to have that. So I can't wait to give these a try. I thought you guys would be interested in seeing some of the stuff I've picked up recently. I also like to try to gather, I like to gather my haul stuff and then do a video so I can put it away. But I keep all my stuff that I need to film in like in an area, and it just piles up over time. So I thought I would quickly do this haul now, get it out of the way so I can put it away. So if there is anything here you want me to do a video on directly on that, I'll do that. So just let me know, and let me know what your favorite item that I got is. So I hope you guys like these little videos. I plan to do more within the year, anything I get in that's new. I have a big list of videos that you guys have said that you'd like to see. I post sometimes in my Instagram stories. What would you guys like to see? And then you guys can ask me questions and stuff. So I do have a big list of things that I know you guys want to see, so I will be working on that this year. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell to be notified whenever I post, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.